In this video, I am going to show you the Amazon Basics OR keyboard which I purchased at 699 rupees from amazon.com. This price is not constant and generally fluctuates between 599 to 699 rupees. You can see here that the product is manufactured by Chinconi Electronics Company Limited and is imported and marketed by Cloudtel India Private Limited. There is a branding of Amazon Basics printed over the package. This was packed very carefully, keeping in mind that it does not get damaged during transit. The brand name Amazon Basics is also printed on a button on the keyboard. The keyboard looks shiny black. Sound is amazing too. The way lower side of it designed will definitely make your typing experience a little more comfortable. The length of the cable is 1.5 meter. In the long run, I shall say that this keyboard is best at this price range. I give this keyboard a rating of 4.5 out of 5.